Arun, welcome. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on this special interview on NewsX. We had spoken not too long back to actor Kushal Tandon at our Shaurya Samman event in Lucknow. He had told us about his new venture, entrepreneurial venture, Abruz, and we have come now after the opening of Abruz to this venue in Gurugram. It's a swanky new place, of course, and we've just tried the food as well here. And now, after that, joining us is actor Kushal Tandon himself and, of course, entrepreneur Karan Arora, the co-owners of this restaurant. Welcome. Thank you both for being with us today.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Now the place has opened. We spoke about it before the launch. Now it's open. How's the feedback that you've got, and what do you now feel that you formally kicked things off here in Gurugram?
The feedback is very nice. We had a launch on the 11th, and there were around 400, 500 people who came. It was absolutely hit launch, and now today is the second day, and people are coming in. Today is Lohri, and we are trying to celebrate a little bit of Lohri over here. But the response is very nice. You were there on the party. I hope you like the party and you like the food also. And today you guys are tasting the food. I hope you like the food also.
Absolutely. Karan, just tell us about, firstly, how this collaboration happened with Kushal, the two Ks uniting, and very fit Ks as well as I can see, and tall Ks. How did this collaboration happen? And for you, what is the USP of Abruz? Also tell us what it means.
So, first of all, I was opening this place, and I always wanted to collaborate with Bhaiya, and I wanted him to be a part of it. So I asked him, and he agreed. Then we sat, we finalized everything. And the USP of Abruz is, I'll say, the food. Because to be very honest, the clubs in Delhi or Gurgaon don't focus on food a lot. They focus on drinks and the vibe. But for me, I want the food to be top-notch. And the quality and everything that we serve, we got world cuisine. We have Lebanese, we have Chinese, we have Italian, we have Turkish, we have everything available here.
What does it mean? What is Abruz?
It comes from a Persian language. It's called blessed, fortunate, lucky. You're lucky enough, you're blessed enough, you're fortunate enough. So like that.
Now when you look back at your career and life, do you feel very blessed, very lucky?
I feel very blessed. I feel very fortunate. I feel very lucky, blessed.
पर आप दोनों को देखकर लगता नहीं है कि खाना खाते हो.
खाना खाते हैं, but हम training अच्छे से करते हैं.
I have a story behind it.
So this guy, I'll tell you, this guy was around 150 kgs.
Correction, 172.
Okay, 172. 2 years back, and if I'll show you his photo right now on my phone.
I'll show you.
I'll show. On my phone, you will not believe.
Is that true?
It is. I used to weigh about 172 2 years back. I've been working out, I've been doing dieting. I've lost about 85 kgs.
Okay, this guy is this, and this guy 2 years back.
This is like this and that. Before and after.
Yeah, so I was a zero, and he used to come and meet me when I used to come to Delhi for my shoots and all. And I always used to tell him one thing: Karan, bada ho gaya hai, patla ho. Karan, bada ho gaya, patla ho.
You need to lose weight now.
You need to lose weight now. And he proved me wrong and clearly. Yeah.
But who is your fitness hero? Then you were his. आपका कौन था?
Hero is बचपन से यार ऐसा कोई hero नहीं है. But I was always in fitness because I was in boarding school. I used to play sports a lot. So बचपन से I was into sports.
आपके तो fitness icon ये थे. Well, who was your fitness icon? Who is that bit?
Still on. I used to watch all the Rocky Balboa's movie and उसके सारे parts मैंने देखे हैं. And जब वो train करता था, जब वो भागता था, तो उसी को देखकर ऐसी body हो जाए. वैसे भी तो हुई नहीं है, but इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द होगी.
A lot of your fraternity from the television industry was there for your launch. Appreciative that they took time out to come. Many names from the industry we saw: Apurv, Shilpa, Niketan, Shivangi. We also saw Kritika Sengar. So a lot of people.
Yeah. So a lot of people came, all our friends, and glad they came and they enjoyed a lot.
Okay. Now we are in 2025, so I have to quickly ask you: are you someone who makes New Year resolutions?
I don't make them, but I try to. मतलब उनको follow करना चाहता हूँ कि I do that. I don't like say that I want to do this, but this year I want to take less stress and train more harder. Okay, more harder.
Okay, all right. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us, and wish you both all the very best for this new project.
Thank you for coming. Thank you guys for coming to Abruz and having some fun time.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.